Hello, my name is Deepak and I'm a German language trainer. It's been almost 6 years that I've been teaching German language and I've already worked with four different German language schools. And currently I'm working as a freelancer. Before we start the video, I would like to tell you something about myself. Like I just want to share my work experience with you. So as you guys are able to see that it's been almost like more than 6,000 tutoring hours that I've already taught and currently you can see that I have more than 450 students. If you talk about my average review rating, that means the classes that I give to my students, for that I have 4.9 rating. And if I talk about total reviews, as you guys can see, it's 103, that means more than 100. So my main purpose of making this video is that so many people are already living in Germany and are learning German language. And there are so many people who want to go to Germany and they are looking for a language trainer. So why I'm making this video? So that I can help those people. I already have students, but it's better if I make the videos of all the content, like all the German language related, uh, either it is vocabulary or grammatical parts or expressions. I'm gonna make the videos in sequential manner so that you guys can take the help from those videos and learn German by your own self. So now I'm going to talk to you about how my future videos are going to be. So I'm going to make a whole series of A1 level. Obviously I will make A2, B1, B2, everything I will make. But the very first thing is I'm going to make the series of A1 level in which I will be teaching you all the grammatical parts of A1 level. Either it is alphabets, basic introduction, accusative, dative, nominative, trainbare Verben, Partizip Perfect, all these topics I'm going to cover in my future videos. And not only that, along with that, we will be reading some text, we will be translating that so that in real life situation you can easily handle. Once we are finished with the series, I'm gonna make A2 series, right? So for that you have to subscribe my channel, like and share if someone is in need of such videos. Thank you so much.